So here's a quick look at that Google Apps extension training coming up we're offering. Basically what it is, it's using and managing these little icons you see up here on our web browser. Think of them kind of like apps from an app store for the iPhone or the app for a Google Play Store for an Android device. Some of these apps were given to us by the district, like this ad blocker one. So we can add on our own. So I have a little screenshot taking app. So this is just a shortcut to an app that you have on your phone. For instance, this little screenshot one, if I click on it, I can take a screenshot of part of my screen and save it to, say, a pictures folder and have it for use for whatever I want it for. How do you use these and manage these? Let's find out. I'm not sure if all web browsers have this little apps button called show apps. If you do, excellent. If not, hang tight. Under my apps icon, I have one here called the web store. This web store is going to get me into, it's kind of like, think of it like the Google Play or the iTunes. This is your I suppose your archive, your bank of all your possible extensions. How do you navigate this? Well, of course, like in most app stores, there's some recently updated ones, some picks from the editors, and some trending ones, or you can just search. Let's say I want to have maybe a units converting app. Maybe my class is doing some timing of their some robot timing. I'm going to figure out, say, a speed of a robot in different units. So I'm just going to go units converter. There we got one. Look at that. Only 3 that kind of came up as possible ones you can use. Like an app store, you can click and browse and see what it does before you commit to it. I suggest definitely reading the reviews and seeing what people thought of it. Here, nobody commented this one here yet. Excellent. Not liking that one. Let's go back to this guy. Here we have 36 reviews, 4.36 stars. Let's try it once. So I'm going to add to Chrome, and it says add extension, and it parks it up here in a little dock. These we can edit. That's later on. Okay. Basically, there it is. Let's give it a try. So if I click on the little units converter, there it is. I want to do. Let's do speeds. And let's say we're measuring our. Oh, this is perfect. We're measuring our robot, how far it travels in feet per second. Let's say we have 11-foot distance. 10-foot distance in 5 seconds. That's about 2 feet per second. We're traveling at 1.3 miles per hour. Nice, I like that. Okay. So little apps you can add on to your current web browser, little shortcuts. That's what our meeting is going to be about. How to find these, how to use these. Again, no one's an expert here at ZMHS. We're all learning. We're all getting better. So whatever you can offer to share to help me, help you, help all of us. Really educate, inspire, and empower. So if you want to know more about these little icons up here, stop on by. We'll be down in room 330 after school on the day of the training. Hope to see you there.